Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a situation that can be frustrating. Recovering your Snapchat account when you have lost access to your email, password and phone number. While Snapchat's recovery process usually involves at least one of these, we will guide you through the general steps. Remember, it's essential to use accurate information during the registration process. So let's get started. If you have lost access to your email, password and phone number, the first step is to open the Snapchat app and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. In your profile, tap on the gear icon, which is your settings, in the top right corner. This will take you to the settings menu. Scroll down and find the help center. Scroll down and find support section. Then tap on I need help. In your message to Snapchat support, explain your situation honestly. Mention that you have lost access to your email, password and phone number. Provide any information that can help them verify your identity. Snapchat support will review your request and it may take some time for them to get back to you. So make sure to check your email or the app for the response. Recovering your Snapchat account without email, password, and phone number can be a bit challenging, but it's essential to work closely with Snapchat support. They will guide you through the verification process and help you regain access to your account. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Snapchat account recovery.